Have you ever heard about the strange, unexplained sound that's driving people crazy worldwide? It's called the hum, a low-frequency noise that some people hear, but others can't. From the USA to the UK, thousands have reported hearing this mysterious sound, especially in quiet places at night. Scientists believe it could be caused by industrial equipment or natural phenomena, but no one really knows for sure, even stranger. It's said that once you hear the hum, it stays with you forever. Creepy, right? If you love unraveling bizarre mysteries like this, hit subscribe right now and join our curious community. There's a world of strange facts waiting for you, and we don't want you to miss any.